when I realized how much opportunity there was in the world of logistics.
Got promoted to SGL.
When I adopted the work hard, play hard mentality. The constant support from the top down.
And giving me a passion to come into work every day.
Seeing all the money that guys are making and wanting your own piece of that.
Adopting the Detroit versus all mentality.
Bettering the community surrounding us, whether that's, toy drives, can drives, community cleanup.
Detroit hustles harder. That's what it comes down to.
A nice dinner out in the town, Red Wings game.
We always have happy hours, we always send people to the gong.
It gets loud, it gets rowdy. We give credit where credit is due.
When I became Metro Group Sales Manager of Detroit.
When we underwent our office expansion.
Being able to see our legacy out on the floor today.